We are in the Museum of the Sardinian Mountains in Arezzo, and we are here to present the exhibition of the Impronte di Storia Historical Traces Association. This poster, on the other hand, is the explanation of what can be observed in the workshop of the Bronze Age, beginning of the Iron Age. It is a poster that was presented at the 16th meeting of Prehistory and Protohistory Studies of Natruria, Archaeology of Fire, Veta, Death and Cults, a constant presence, and is called Mines and Foundries in Bronze Age Sardinia, the development of research from the first investigations to today's application of experimental archaeology. It is a poster that we wrote and presented, and here are explained the different passages and different artifacts that you see here exhibited in the exhibition. From modern foundry methods, we have been able to deconstruct what is known in the modern world and get to the reproduction of objects, also on the basis, and above all, on the basis of the original archaeological artifacts, to see how a foundry of the end of the Bronze Age and the beginning of the Iron Age could actually be created. One last detail, the part dedicated to the search for the foundries of the Nuragic era known in Sardinia, and these are obviously also linked to the presence of the mines, of which here we have a small collection of minerals useful for the foundry process. They range from pyrite, which is an excellent indicator for the presence of minerals that contain copper, therefore malachite, chrysocolla, azurite, or instead with regard to the presence of tin or lead, both used in the Nuragic era, even lead used at the end of the Neolithic in Sardinia. We have here galena, for example, from Civius, and another example of galena instead from the mines of Iglesiente. Another example of tin ores is cassiterite, known, for example, as regards Great Britain, which already exported this mineral in prehistoric times, with an example of cassiterite coming from this location in the British Isles, which is actually a region known as Cornwall. Another example is a small fragment of cassiterite from Monte Santa Vittoria, located in the municipality of Villa Sidra.